Do you know where the best places to grow your wealth are? In today's globalized world, opportunities for wealth growth span across continents, with some countries offering more favorable conditions than others. Let's embark on a journey around the world to discover the top 5 countries where fortunes are being made. Starting at number 5, we have Hong Kong. Known for its vibrant economy and strategic location, Hong Kong is a hub for international business and finance. Its robust legal system, coupled with a low and simple tax regime, makes it an appealing destination for investors and entrepreneurs from around the world. The ease of doing business in Hong Kong is virtually unparalleled, providing a fertile ground for wealth growth. Moving on to number 4, Bahrain. This small island country in the Persian Gulf might not be the first place that comes to mind when thinking about wealth growth, but don't be fooled by its size. Bahrain offers a liberal business environment, a well-regulated financial sector, and a high standard of living. The government's forward-thinking policies encourage foreign investment, making Bahrain an attractive place for wealth creation. Landing on the 3rd spot is the United Arab Emirates. The UAE, particularly Dubai and Abu Dhabi, has become synonymous with wealth and opulence. With its strategic location, tax-free living, and innovative business policies, the UAE offers a wealth of opportunities for investors. Its rapidly diversifying economy is paving the way for new sectors, offering even more avenues for wealth growth. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is Saudi Arabia. Known primarily for its oil reserves, Saudi Arabia is currently undergoing a significant economic transformation. Its Vision 2030 plan aims to diversify the economy and reduce the country's dependence on oil. This opens up a plethora of opportunities for investors, making Saudi Arabia a hotspot for wealth growth. And finally, coming in at number 1, Switzerland. A country synonymous with wealth management, Switzerland has a long-standing reputation for its strong economy, political stability, and strict privacy laws. It is home to some of the world's leading banks and financial institutions. Furthermore, its strategic location in the heart of Europe makes it a gateway to the European market. For those looking to grow their wealth, Switzerland offers a blend of tradition and innovation that is hard to beat. So, there you have it, the top 5 countries where wealth growth is thriving. From the bustling streets of Hong Kong to the serene landscapes of Switzerland, these countries offer unique opportunities for those willing to seize them. Remember, the world is full of opportunities, it's up to you to grab them. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 wealth magnets globally. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And remember, your wealth is in your hands.